Hello, well, welcome. This time I will make the video in English because I think it's gonna be more fun. And few people that watch my videos are English speakers, seems to be. So whatever, I'm gonna make it in English. I will try at least. So last time I was working on maps generation. So now I add a map, a global map like this. And now when I click one of those, it generates this map, so everything is made automatically. So and these maps are feeling different because are made it with different image and with these setups. So I'm gonna go to here, level one place. Okay. So I was working on the skills. So these skills are going to be the basic skills. So you like magic ball. Okay, it's a basic skill. I throw a ball, but that ball can be a fireball, an ice ball, whatever. So the mechanic is the same for all those skills. So I was working on the basis. So I have some restricted skills, like this slam. I need a two-handed weapon, so I will equip two-handed weapon. And now I like smash the ground. So I have a bow. Okay, requires a bow, and I equip the bow and throw arrows, like kind of basic stuff. And the basic attack, I can do that. Yeah, this a dagger blow. Of course, you need a dagger to do that. And what's the next one? Oh, my favorite, spin to win, classic. Okay, I can use any weapon with this skill, so I will use that. And yes, this is a T-post, and I just rotated it. But it's you do the job. So the monster also have different types of attack, like this mob is shooting arrows, and there is also mages. So yeah, this is a mage, and that's pretty much it. 1 week to do everything, to do this basic stuff. Yeah, it was a lot of work, but it's going somewhere. And now is okay, I hope you like it. I need to work on the inventory system, the looting. That's a big stuff here. So that's pretty much it. See ya.